shotgun.
The shotgun's mine. I'm older.
It's mine now.
I'm not sitting in the back.
I got it.
You know what? I'm gonna use reverse psychology on her. I can't wait to lay down back here. It's almost like a bed. I love this. I kind of want to lay down. Hey, do you think you want to, trade? I kind of want to sit back there now. No, I'm not giving you the back seat. I like the back seat.
Please, I'll give you the front seat.
You know what? Okay. You can have it.
Yes! Oh, this is so nice.
You can't lay down back there. Get up and put your seatbelt on. It's not safe.
Oh, Mom, come on. I'm so cozy right now.
Come on, sit up and put your seatbelt on.
Dang it. Oh, I want the front seat back. Give me the front seat back.
No, I'm not getting out again. You better put on your seatbelt. Listen to Mom.
I don't like today.